Model, 2016 Volkswagen Crafter CR35 2.0 TDI 136 PS long wheelbase, HR. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 144,852. MOT, the 12th of December 2024. Engine, 1968 cc 2.0 TDI 136 PSA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Turbo needs replacing. The engine sounds perfect, straightforward turbo replacement job. It is also difficult to select first gear, it will engage, but very stiff, could be selector, not sure. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows. EU status,